He's grabbed it twice. I thought the camera was on. This bass has picked this lure up twice, but before I could set it, he spit it out. He's right there. Last two casts, he grabbed it both times. Like that, and I got him. Yes. Once again, not a monster, but fun. He's got to be around 2-pounder. Get him in the sun, 2-pounder maybe. Gonna weigh him quick. Okay, 1.72, don't know if you can see it. 1.72, so 1 3/4 pounds. Take a quick picture, get him back. All right. Got one. Looks like a crappie. And it is. Nice. Nice crappie. Nice. I ordered this one to my buddy. He said fish shallow. Okay. That's a beautiful crappie. And I'm going to weigh him. Okay, 0.86, so just under 1 pound, a little over 3/4, under a pound. Let's see how long he is. All right. He is 12 inches long. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Oh, look at a big snake right here, right in front of me. I must have probably almost stepped on him because oil came out. Okay, just had a big snake come out right where I was standing. He just swam into this junky stuff. Oh. Helps if you flip the bail over before you cast. Okay, here comes the fish. Oh, there's a snake. He's back. He's right in front of me. Okay, the snake just came back. Gotta love nature.